Hey everybody, it's Tracey Valk here. I am coming to you live because I just finished a cooking class and I thought I would share with you what I did. It went over super well and I literally I finished maybe, 20 minutes ago. I was just sort of tidying up and sales are rolling in. Even though we have so much stuff out of stock and all of the Christmas specials, or most of the Christmas specials that I posted about when they launched earlier today are gone and those customers can't shop those. But here's what I did. And what I want to show you is there's different ways that you can share the same product. These customers that I just had in this cooking class, a lot of them have been using Epicure for years. I know they have 3 onion, but I don't care. I was going to share it anyway because it is part of our buy a meal, share a meal. And so not only is it a great cause, but I'm also now getting more QV this week when I sell those things. So here's what I did. So number one, I pivoted this morning because I had everything ready to go and I realized what I was going to share was out of stock. So I was like, okay, that's okay. What am I gonna do instead? Hey guys, and then I really didn't even decide until I checked the out of stock list and I kept checking to make sure that everything I was going to share was in stock. So what I did was, of course, I always share our multi-purpose steamer. I did everything for creamy pesto Parmesan chicken in the multi-purpose steamer. I had pre-cooked the pasta in there, so I showed them how they could cook pasta. And then on my demo, I cooked the chicken and peppers and mixed up my sauce. And while that was in the microwave cooking, I made, using 2 items from our Buy a Meal, Share a Meal program, some little 3 onion crostinis. These are delicious and they kind of show like a great holiday entertaining idea if you're able to entertain. So what I did was I just used our prep bowl, 4 cup, no, not 4 cup, what do you call these? Mini prep bowls, whatever they are. A half a cup of olive oil, and then 2 tablespoons of 3 onion dip mix. Mix it up, spread it on some bread that you've sliced on top of your sheet pan, liner, and cooling rack. So you're showing 3 items there, and pop it in the oven for 9 or 10 minutes at 1 cup prep bowl. That's what it is. 9 or 10 minutes at 375, and you get these beautiful like crusty bread crostini things. They're delicious. I talked about how you can serve these and top them with the extraordinary trio cheese dip. You can add, you can make 3 onion cold dip and top it on with some sliced tomatoes. There's so many ways to serve this. Tonight I served it on the side to my husband of his creamy pesto chicken. And I also showed them how I am prepping his lunch for tomorrow after making this amazing meal in less than 20 minutes in our 4 cup prep bowl. So there you go, guys. I hope that helps. I just thought it was really important to show, what we're all doing. If you've got a great demo with things that are in stock, I would love to see it, because not once did I talk about what wasn't in stock. I showed everything that was in stock. And really, I have my saute spoon here, but what I actually used to mix up my sauce mix and my pasta in the steamer was the 3-in-1 spatula. So there's so many ways to use all of our products, and just show what's available. Don't focus on what's out of stock, because I know it can be frustrating, but I'm telling you, if you find the right ways to share even things that people have seen before in a different way, it helps them see how they can use it differently. And just keep positive. We're all in this together, and we will get through this. And I think Epicure is doing an amazing job, even with anything that is an issue. I just think we're doing an amazing job. You guys are doing an amazing job. So keep going, push your cooking classes, share as much as you can, and if you've got a good demo, share it with me. I need to know. Thanks, guys. Bye. Have a good night. I'm off now to have a glass of wine because it has been a long, long, long day.